the moment you've all been waiting for. It is giveaway time. Okay, so here we're doing the video. Hi guys! We're just gonna get straight to the point. Giveaway rules. The first rule is you must subscribe to my channel. You have to follow me on Instagram at polygel_vic. You have to follow Model Ones on Instagram at model1s_official. You have to comment on any of Model One's posts and tag me in that comment. Once you're done with the Instagram part, we move to YouTube. In this video, you have to leave a comment on this video answering this question. The question is, if you had to wear one nail set for the rest of your life, what nail set would it be? You can't pick no nail set. You have to have a nail set. Like, I'm talking extensions. I'm not just talking painted nails, okay? If you had to wear one nail set for the rest of your life, what would it be? Okay, I want to know length. I want to know colors. I want to know shapes. I want to know all that, okay? Comment that in this video in the comments below. And in that comment, okay, answering this question, I want you to put your Instagram handle at the end of the comment so that I can find you on Instagram and DM you if you are the winner. So those are the rules. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at polygel_vic, follow Model Ones on Instagram at model1s_official, comment on any of Model One's Instagram post and tag at polygelvic in that comment. In this video on YouTube, leave a comment answering the question, if you had to wear one nail set for the rest of your life, what nail set would it be? And then in the same comment, after you've answered the question, leave your Instagram handle. That is the rules for the giveaway. We are having 5 giveaway winners. 5. I'm giving away, with the help of Model Ones, a 12-piece polygel nail gel starter kit. It looks like this. This kit comes with a clear polygel, a soft pink polygel, a nail lamp, 2 glitters, dual forms, a slip solution, base coat and top coat, a hand file, and a brush. This is a perfect kit for beginners. It's a perfect kit for anybody really, because these are like items that you need, like are a necessity, like the nail lamp and the 2 polygel colors. You can always use clear and a soft pink. You know, those were the rules, and this is what you guys are gonna win. Okay, 5 winners. Each are going to receive the 12-piece poly nail gel starter kit. You need 2 separate applications for this giveaway. You need an Instagram and YouTube. Sorry if you don't have Instagram. You can make an Instagram really quick. Once I DM you on Instagram, if you do not answer within 2 days of me DMing you, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to move on to the next person, okay? So the giveaway starts today. The giveaway starts July 9th, today on Thursday. When this video posts, the giveaway starts. This giveaway lasts 5 days. So today, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. When I post my new video on Monday, okay, I'm going to be choosing 5 giveaway winners from this video. I will DM you after my Monday video goes live. I will DM you. If you do not answer by Wednesday, I'm gonna have to choose someone else. And hopefully on Thursday or Friday, I will announce the giveaway winners. And that is the whole realm of this giveaway happening. Hopefully I explained everything well. If you have any questions, you can DM me on Instagram if you have questions, because I want this comment section to just be you answering the question and leaving your Instagram. Thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. We are at almost 13K right now, 13,000 subscribers, and I am just so thankful for all of you guys, really. Without you guys, I wouldn't be anything. Giveaway rules in this video. Okay, make sure you comment in the comment section answering the question and leave your Instagram. And hopefully I will be reaching out to 5 of you guys very soon. Thank you Model Ones for sponsoring this giveaway. I will see you guys next time.